Okay guys, we are in the house. We cannot make some vlogs because of it's rainy day up to tomorrow. See the surrounding area in the vehicle in outside. See, so only thing to do we can vlog, but it's a bad weather. It's rainy because it's spring season. See the clouds. It's cloudy, a little bit windy, cold weather. So we have no outdoor or some tips for now because see see the road, the street, it's wet. So as of now, what only we can do is just wait the right weather for new videos to vlog. Yeah. But yesterday, lots of vlogs and videos that I will send yesterday. Okay? So, a little bit sleepy. It's cold. So I need to reheat the vehicle. I'm going, extra income. Okay. It's 8:16 p.m. But it's not dark. Even it's raining. Okay. So this is it. We going somewhere for a while and then we going back immediately. You know, we need to sleep early because it's a cold weather. Okay, so all you have to do is just wait the good weather. Might be Friday, but I think it's Friday. Is hopefully it's cloudy also. So and guess what? On Saturday is some a little bit snow coming. See, snow coming again because of global warming. Okay, but it's okay. The important we can vlog daily. It's 24/7, 7 days a week. That's the most important. So for now, we're going to prepare somewhere just to vlog again. Maybe it's a cold weather. Oh, we need to read some minutes before we go. So this is my favorite spot in front of the house. But now I cannot play basketball or shooting because of due to rainy days today. Okay? Hopefully this weekend, but weekend there's a snow. Hopefully there's a mixed sunny and cloudy. Okay? But not for now. See the road wet, even my windshield in my neighbors. Then I wanna fix it my spring there. But it's a bad weather, not for now. I'm sleepy, need to rest after going somewhere a little bit. Okay guys, hopefully I'm sleepy and rainy. I don't know if how many percent the rain today or until when. So this is it. Live in their house. See. So I'm going somewhere, buy something. After that, go home, rest, sleep, eat. That's it. So let's see what's the next video tips to come. Just click the button and subscribe and click the notification bell to have to some videos to come. Okay, so let's see because it's a rainy day, but totally not totally dark because of daylight saving. Okay, so let's do it. There's somewhere. We cannot drive. We cannot drive having you are holding a phone. So that's a problem with the police. Okay. So for now, we can talk about the weather today. That's the issue. That's only I give to you the tips in Canada. That's Saskatchewan. I like this weather. It's like in the Philippines. There's a rain, sunny, cold, hot, warm weather. Okay. So also the best thing to do. My tips to you: stay at home. If you are in Canada, in Saskatchewan, close to the border. So I have no choice. You cannot plug in outside. So for me, just try to go out. Uwi sabor. Ah, sleepy. Just checking the windshield. The surrounding. It's rainy. I like it. I like it. Especially coffee time. Maybe for now, try to update all my accounts in checkings. Just continuing our vlogs for today because I'm curious about my savings. Even it's rainy, no problem. We have no choice. I cannot hold the phone, having to vlogging my own YouTube channel because the police problem. Okay, give some tickets. So to avoid that, just leave for now. Maybe I'm continuing. What's the weather news for today? Okay, that's all I can do. Maybe we can stand by for a while, some groceries, buy something important after checkings, updates. I checking all updates for now. It's tonight is about 8:25 p.m. Canada time at Saskatchewan. I know it's not busy today to take some important collection for today. Just only a few minutes. That's it. Okay. See the surrounding area. It's wet. Okay. And the windshield, you notice it. Okay.